Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Fritz back again. Another day, another vlog. Manze, leo ni the third day. Tulikuwa tumepiga sherehe sana manze. Leo ilikuwa tu just to cool off, kutulia tu unacheki. And I was supposed to be linking up with my home girl. So yeah, this was us on our way to Jumeirah apartments. Initially tuleka Jumeirah, I think Jumeirah apartments ziko mbili, so tukaenda the first place. Nilimanage ku retrace my steps, nika book a boda to a Bolt Mtumbwi ama nasemanga aje to Jumeirah Beachfront. And yeah, mi sikuwa na expectations, so I just went because it was the first time nilikuwa naenda huko and my mind was blown because the place is amazing, ambient, 10 over 10. I will definitely go back again. So yeah, manze, we're just chilling here and yeah.
Me on a random Monday.
Yeah, unemployed friends.
Random Monday.
I'm shy. Niko shy manze. This is my first time, ati? Ni asima huko. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another day, another vlog. Bado tuko maeneo ya kwenye mandhari. Hata ndaonyesha na feel. But niko by the beach kwa Jumeirah leo. Niko na the usual culprits. Ndio hapa. They turn. Anyway, manze, today is just a polite day. Nataka kuingia costume kidogo nini. But manze, make sure you like and subscribe. God damn it. It's vizuri.
Ni constant. Lazima tusikie.
Tuko na nani? What's your name?
I'm Sherry. Call me Sherry or Sherry. Who's your favorite?
Mama with fans. Yenda ananiweka. Yenda ameniweka in Nairobi.
It's Madu.
Yes. Anyway. Yeah. Inakaa vizuri. Yeah, so at this time I was still recovering from the previous day. Manze ilibidi nimeorder maji hapo hivyo na passion juice because I couldn't eat. Then Msupa aliorder I think it was grilled chicken and ilikuja na sides for 1400. And the swimming was 2k, but sasa ulikuwa na swim hadi inaisha 9 PM. So ngori nilifanya makosa msee, nikajaribu kuingia sijui 7:30 ati lazima ni make profit. Nilishangaa sana. Crazy. Niliingia nikatoka hata sikurudi na maji. Ilikuwa baridi as fuck, so crazy. Yeah, but it was nice. It was just a polite day. Quick story time. Kama uko na dollars na umejipata kwa hizi hoteli, don't try and exchange kwa hizo restaurants zao because they'll try and make profit from you. So nilikuwa na like $100. I wanted to change to like Kenya shillings. So, najua rate ya bank ni 125. Unaona, sasa mimi nikauliza, rada mnaweza nichangia? Si. Wakasema, wanaweza change, but acha ni confirm kwa ofisi. Akaenda kwa ofisi, aka confirm and stuff. Then akakuja akaniambia, ni 115. Nikasema 10 bob yote. Surely. 10 bob times 100, that's wanakula tao from your pesa yako. Nikasema fuck this shit. Nikatoka nikachukua nduthi mbio mbaya hadi bank, kenda I&M nika change, and I never knew dollars are so delicate.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that rubber band.
Hey guys, manze tuko katika maeneo ni za bahari my guy. Hi. Anyway, I want to close the vlog here. Leo ni day 3. Tumekuja polite, yeah? Tulikuwa polite hapa Jumeirah. So, once again, kama mjaona, niko kwenye beach, yeah? And yeah, I just want to close the vlog here. So, make sure you like and subscribe. Kesho bado, mambo ni vula. You will be there. So, yeah, cheers.
Just in Paris, I walk London, Canyo, Beacano, Berlin, Canyo. But I'm the friend of.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, girl. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned.